Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y, trend cycle. We will also look for max span and PCR. First of all, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price, last closing price of Bank Nifty, which is at 19,743.75, and it was on May 4th 2020, and we are talking about the 7th May expiry. Now we will find out the trading range of the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance for Bank Nifty if it goes up, whereas the highest support, highest put will act as the highest support for the Bank Nifty if it goes down. We will also check out the pivot level for the Bank Nifty. Pivot level is the level where tug of war goes on between bulls and bears, and both don't want to lose the grip on that level. So first of all, we will check out the highest call, and for that purpose we will go through this column, then find here is around 5,51,000 contracts are added at 21,000 strike, 22,000 strike, followed by here you can see the 4,23,000 contracts are added at 21,000 strike. And also if you check this change in Y and this change in Y and also this change in Y, which is huge, this indicates the sell-off that we have seen today. This change in Y also indicates the same. Now if you check the highest put, for this purpose we will come through this column and find at 19,000 here 2,94,000 contracts are open, and followed by here 2,75,000 contracts and 18,000 strike. Also if you see this change in Y at this level, this indicates significant addition on change in Y in the lower levels. Another thing, so these all strike will act as a as an important level for the Bank Nifty. Now if we talk about the pivot level, then this could be the pivot level. This could be the pivot level. Why this one 20,000 is pivot level? If you see here in call side addition and this one, so interest of both bulls and bears are over here, so we can say 20,000 is pivot level. Below this Bank Nifty is weak, above this we can see some movement towards 21,000. so this is the make or break level for the Bank Nifty. And if we talk about net change, these all are red, that indicates the huge sell-off in call side. And if you see this one, this is in this all green indicates the put buying. So this indicates the weakness in the Bank Nifty. And if you see the Y position which are scattered here and there, which is also indicate the uncertainty in the market. If uncertainty sustains remain in the market, we can see such selling in the market. We will also check the India VIX to find out what is going on, that what is the volatility index is saying. Before that we will move towards Nifty and check out the closing. The Nifty have been closed at 9,293.5 on May 4th, and we are talking about 7th May expiry. Now we will find out the trading range of Nifty, highest call and highest put, to find the highest resistance and put. For that purpose we will go through this column, and you can check here 25,75,000 1,000 contracts are here at 10,000, followed by If you can see this 9800 strike, that is 16 lakh contracts are over here. We can also check out this level around 10 lakh contracts, 14 lakh contracts, and here see this one, 11,000 contracts are added over here on today's shelf. So these are also important level on the basis of change in Y for the Nifty. And if we try to find out where is the highest put, for that purpose we will go through this column. Then 9,000 with 11 lakh contracts is showing the highest put, followed by here you can see 8,500. So these are the level that you can find the highest support for the Nifty if Nifty goes down. And also if you see this change in Y column here and here, that indicates it may give some support for bank Nifty if it goes down. And if you see this change, net change, these all are red, that indicates the call selling was there, and this green indicates the put buying was there. These all data indicates the weakness in Nifty. And if you see this strike Y scatter here and there, and same thing you can see from here and there, Y have been scattered. This indicate the volatility may be in the market that will continue. We will also check out the volatility index and PCR and max span for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. For that purpose we will come to our blog and we will see where is first of all we will check the India VIX. See, India VIX is today we have seen the surge of around 28% surge in India VIX. This indicates a grim situation for Nifty, and it has closed at 43.67, which is well above than the higher range of India VIX. Higher range is around 20, so which is almost double, more than double. So it is anywhere here. So this is a situation where we can see this indicates the volatility in the market. So this is about India VIX. And if we see the max span for Bank Nifty is 20,000 and for Nifty is 9,400 with PCR 0.9 and 1.45. Now we did not get some data on NSE, so unable to upload trend cycle as of now, but I will upload it as soon as I get data available from NSE. So this is all about analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty, and for trend cycle you can come and see later once I get data will upload. And if you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for